Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about what is manifesting. So manifesting is basically, in its simplest form, is manifesting goals and things that you want to achieve into your reality, into your third dimensional reality. So you're taking whatever is in your mind and what you want to create and see in your life, and you are putting focus on it and then materializing it into your three-dimensional reality. So that is like just basically what manifesting is. And so when you are wanting to manifest something, you manifest it through, firstly, we're setting a goal of what we want, right? And then we're putting our focus there and we're releasing anything that, is in the way of that, okay? And we're creating a story about how it is actually possible for you, right? So that really is what manifesting is about. And we create through our belief systems. So what we believe, we create, okay? And so with manifesting, what's actually happened is this. So from 0 to 7 is when you are, a child, obviously, and you are in a theta brainwave state, okay? And what is happening is all your experiences and what you are seeing are starting to create your belief systems, all right? And you have no filter. You just absorb and create, and just create new belief systems by absorbing into your subconscious mind all these belief systems. And then from 7 onwards, you just repeat these patterns of beliefs. And that's why you will find that you will repeat circumstances. You will have repeat things coming up in your life that you find keep repeating. You will find, similar partners, similar friends, similar circumstances. Like you'll find that similar things happen to you because you are creating it through your belief systems that you created as a child, which go back to, all of the experiences and things and what you saw as a child around, money, relationships, friendships, job, career, all of that. You are gathering all of that information and just creating all these belief systems when you were 0 to 7. And then if you don't interrupt and become aware of these belief systems that you have, you will just keep repeating the same scenarios, circumstances, situations over and over and over and over and over and over again until you become aware of what you no longer want to keep repeating, right? And so then you will start becoming aware of your belief systems, and then you can start interrupting that and then start to create new ones. Now, it can be a little bit harder as we get older because we're not in that theta brainwave state, right? So, but we can still do it. It's through repetition of, affirmations, using our imagination, like imagining, different scenes and things like that, or whatever it is we want to create, okay? And getting ourselves into that theta brainwave state and really impressing that subconscious mind with what it is that we want to create, okay? And when we do that, when we can actually go into that theta brainwave and impress the subconscious, we create it much faster, okay? Because it's how it works. We impress the subconscious and then we create it in our life, okay? And we see it in the third dimensional reality, all right? So, it is possible for you to start creating and changing this and bringing different things into your life. Like, if you have bad relationships, you are able to change them. If you don't like your career, you're able to change them. If you don't like the situation with money, you are able to change it. You are able to change it all, right? They first thought that the brain was not changeable, but now they know through neuroplasticity that the brain is changeable, and we create neural pathways in our brain, different ones, that then start to create different reality for us, a different reality through different belief systems. All right? So what I'm saying is, to manifest the life of your dreams and of what you want, you just need to start being conscious of what you want to create, focus on it, believe in it, and watch it manifest into your life. Alrighty, so that's my video. That's what I wanted to explain. Any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope you found this video awesome and it's been helpful. Let me know of any aha moments. And if you want me to clarify anything as well, I'm happy to do that. And happy manifesting, because you have the power to create your life, but you just weren't taught it as a child. You thought that life happened to you, but it's not that. You believe things and then life reflects it back like a mirror to you and shows you what's going on in your belief system, in your subconscious mind. All right? So go out there, go manifest. Let me know in the comments what you're manifesting, and I'll catch you all soon. Bye.